What's going on, my people? Welcome back to the vlog. Let me show you what I'm doing today. I'm still working on hydro-dipping the engine bay parts on my car. Let me show you. I did this one and I did this right here, which was the worst one. This right here, the long piece, man, I have tried like a couple times because it's just too long, and I bought this thing to try to fill it up with water and be able to use it. But even though I put tape, even though I got some curtains for like liners for like the bathtub, and I put in it to try to keep the water from coming out of it, and it still came out of it. So I wasn't be able to use this after I spent the money on it. So I ended up using my bathtub again, try again. But I was making a mistake on the activator. I think I was putting too much activator or not too much, and I think that was giving me problem. But it takes practice, man. It's not easy. So this is the finished result. I'm gonna put clear coat on it, clear coat on this one. On this one I had to do it twice. If you can see here, I had to go over it because it didn't took anything in this side. But this go covered with this. This go under here, so you won't be able to see that part too much, you know. But just to give you a heads up, I still got one more part to do, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I don't know, for being the first time, I think it looked pretty cool. But anyway, I keep you guys update. If any question, just leave it in the comment section and I will answer you. All right, the next one you already know.